Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, Yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today, over here, that the daily candle, it's finished here as you see it here. So there is nothing here happening, and as majority of you didn't know, Saturday and Sunday there is nothing new going to happen. The only thing today, Joe Biden, the president of America, he signed the debt ceiling agreement or deal. That good news. I posted in my Telegram channel and in my Discord channel. You can join us. The links of them is down in the description of that video if you want to be notified and to see our daily signals there. But here in the daily for long term, as I told you before, there is nothing new here. We do it like that. And yesterday in the last video we make for you for the option where is the Bitcoin is going to go. As you see, there is nothing new here. We don't have nothing new here. We haven't broken above here and we haven't broken down here. So till now there is nothing new here, and that two levels here you need to be focused about them, either here and either here. If we are going to break above here, you need to enter long. If we're breaking down here, you need to enter short, guys. Remember that. And another thing here, I showed it to you in the last video, but it's okay. Let me show it to you. I told you like that. We got here that red one here. That one is the 100 moving average, and that one, the yellow one, is the 50 moving average. As you see, look at it, how the Bitcoin is bouncing between them. Me personally, I think also we are going back to touch here. Yeah, no, there is nothing new, but I think we are going to go back to touch here the 50 moving average, because the 50 moving average is the top of that triangle I just show you now. So it's waiting to see what's going to happen. If we're breaking above here, we need to enter long. If the Bitcoin break down here by a red candle followed by another red candle, you need to enter short, because it need to break for us that level which is here, guys. Everything is too clear. So tell now, what shall we do? Nothing. Me, I'm still thinking there is that correction also we've been talking about from here, from that level here. I told you it's going to be the last correction. Me, I'm still thinking from here, from the 200 moving average, also we need to buy 50% from our capital. I tell it to you when we touch here. Look how long now passed. Look how many days it's passed till now. I told you when we're going to touch here, we need to buy 50% from our capital. Why only 50%? Because it might is going to dip more than that. So you're going to still have cash to buy more. Everything is too clear, and I got for you some on-chain data today. So let's go into analyze the on-chain data for you today. So let's go in there. The first one, which is that one, Bitcoin funding rate. As I told you before, we got here a level here. As you see it, look at it. And I told you, look at the places where the Bitcoin it jump here the day of FTX, over here and over here. Till now, yes, also we are in a bull market here in that indicator, but the bulls, they are not powerful, and that's what we have been telling you all those days. I've been telling you the bulls, they are not powerful, and that's what it's showing even here. So till now there is nothing new here. We need to wait and more, guys, till the right time and the right moment. Everything is too clear. Another indicator we got, let's go in there. The other indicator we got, that one, his name Rainbow. That one is very simple. When the Bitcoin is down here at that blue one, you need to buy, as you see it here. Is it the low? and that's what it's indicating. As you see it, also we are in the low here, as you see here. So the Bitcoin maybe from here is going to go back up till the red one, but that is going to start till 2025, guys. So you need to be focused. 2025 is going to be here at that level here, and also we are very close to the halving cycle. As you see it, the end of this year, it doesn't left for it a lot, so be prepared. Start buying slowly by slowly. That one, the very simple indicator. When you are here at the blue one, you buy. When is it here at that red here in the top, you started selling. Very simple indicator. You don't need to make things more confused. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here another indicator we got, let me show it to you. Another indicator we got is that one. That one I showed it to you before. His name, release price. That one, when the Bitcoin is below in that level, which is down here as you see it, and the price of the Bitcoin is it below in that purple at the bottom. That means also we being in the bottom. Now that one is it here down in the top, and here same things is it in the top. That is indicating also we are in a bull market now here in that indicator, and that one, by the way, is our on-chain data. I think picture is too clear. We don't need to make the video too long, guys. And as you see it, even that one is got colors here like stock flow. As you see it, when the colors they started changing, when we are very close to the halving cycle, the color is changed to blue. Yeah, no, it's not yet. It's left for it about 6 months till now. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, guys, we got something new today. You need to be focused about it very much. By the way, here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. Here in the 4 hours, look with me here what I'm going to show you. Look what the Bitcoin it given us. You remember yesterday me I told you here we got a cup and handle, but till now it hasn't breaking for us the neckline, so there is no entry long. But now look at it, what it given us here. If you came here in the top and here lower, the Bitcoin here, it give you a very clear flag here. That one is a continuation pattern, and people they been with me didn't know that. Me, I don't trade it like that. If it's breaking here up, I'm going to enter long, take profit of me. It need to be here in that place here, and that's what me I told you in the daily. If it's breaking down over here, let me zoom it a little bit to show you that flag I'm talking about. Look here, you came here to the top of those ones and you draw in here a line like that, very simple line. And down here you came to those ones here and you draw in a line like that. You can even draw it from the tails depending on what you want. And here from the top you came, you do it like that, very clear flag. And that one, if it's breaking, you bring that line here and you put it here. So the take profit for that one is going to be down here at 25k as you see it. So guys, you need to be focused about those things me I'm telling you now. And another thing very important here. The Bitcoin here, he tried to give you here a inverted cup and handle, guys. You see it or not? You can draw even a head and shoulder from here, but that one, the neckline is going to be very hard. Me, I do it like that to focus about that level, which is here down. You see it or not? We started from here and here. Even that one, you need to be focused about it. As you see it, very clear cup and handle, guys. Even that one, you need to be focused where is the Bitcoin is going to break. Either we're going to break down here, you enter short. If we break in the top of that flag here, you enter long. Everything's still the same, nothing was changed. But the Bitcoin here, let's make it like that. He give you here not the high, the low. No, he trying to give you another high. If it falls down and breaking that last low, which is here, that's another story. We show it to you yesterday. We told you even here he give us here low, high, over here a low, so it need to go up to give us another high for us to know is a uptrend, or from here to fall down for us to know is a downtrend based on that one. Everything is too clear, guys. So till now here in the daily there is nothing new. You need to wait till more till the right time. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. That one here, you remember what me I told you? I told you either we're going to bounce from that level here in the middle, or we are going to touch that trend line. Until now, that's what it's showing. It's showing maybe from here, because look at it. It came here to the bull market here in that level, but it couldn't stay there. That meant the bulls, they still weak. Now let's see if it's going to fall down to break for us that last low here, and we our eye is going to be focused about that level here. What we're going to do in that trend line here, if we are going to bounce from here to up, guys, that level here is very criteria level. Do not touch it today, but you need to be focused about it. What the market is going to do now. That time picture is too clear, guys. We don't need to make the video too long. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We touch here the overbought area. We used to have here the top of that channel here like that. As you see it, we touch it here. The lower of it, which is down here, as you see it. Till now, maybe from here is going to fall down to touch the lower here. But till now, we haven't got nothing here. So for us to enter short, that one here, and I'll show you that flag, I'll show you the cup and handle. You can, a lot of price actions here in that level here. So you need to be focused where is the market is going to get broke. If the market break down here, you need to enter short. If the market break the top of that trend line here, enter long, guys, from here. But till now our indicator is showing is going to continue down till it will touch in here the oversold area. Then we're going to see what's going to happen. Till now our indicator is still falling down. Also we enter short base on the double top. Until now also we still holding because the only price action the market gave us down here is that cup and handle, and it couldn't break the neckline. So there is no entry long, and we still holding our short position, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel with how you can growing up. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, I show you in the last video, we got here a cup and handle very clear like that. I told you the neckline, which is here. As you see it, we couldn't break the neckline. We can tell here, but we couldn't break it. So there is no entry long yet. And here down, now I'll show you, we got here a flag in the 4 hours. And even here in 30 minutes, look at it, how clear it is, that flag. You capture those ones, those levels here. Very clear flag here. Now you need to be focused on what the market is going to do down here. Another thing very important here, the market he gave you here like a double top here, very clear. Look at it, the first top, second top, and he break the neckline here. But you need to be focused at that level where we are now, what the market is going to do. Now what shall we do here in 30 minutes? At this time there is nothing to do. At this time also we register in that video, or we record in that video. You got here like a small channel like that, as you see it. That one you need to be focused about what the market is going to do here. Either we're going to break it above here for us to enter long, or we're going to break down here for us to enter short. So tell now what you need to do. Here in 30 minutes me I'm talking. You came to that one here, to the top of those ones, and you focus on if we are going to break here for us to enter long, or down here at those ones here, and you focus on if we are going to break down here for us to enter short. If it doesn't break in above here, the top of that small channel here, that one, there is no entry long, and if we haven't breaking down here, there is no entry short, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it coming from overbought area. We are very close to the oversold area. What shall we do? Nothing. There is nothing you can do here in 30 minutes. You can make something like that, a trend line now like that. Very clear trend line like that. And you're waiting if it's going to get broke here. That's another story. If it's getting broke here in that level, you can enter long. And for down, I just show you the level you need to be focused on. Is it that one here? That level here. You need to be focused if we are going to break it more. That means the Bitcoin is going to fall down till down here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.